we're on the ferry. Hop on the ferry now, going to Sonleom. So everyone's excited. This one's Sonleom, and is Koh Rong. Koh Rong mà là phum cái và Koh Rong. Lâu cật chào ấy, cái thôn nào chào tới không? Tôi coi cái đó các bạn này, có coi kia tôi lại không? Careful. Yeah. Nè. Một chanh muối không? Chanh muối nè. Chanh phí nè. Nè, sao lại chỉ tao Sonleom bye. Happy today. Happy day. Everyone have a swim.
I'm like holding on to that. Yeah, me too. Squeezing that for you.
Yeah, just watch the step when you come down. Sonleom. So this ferry here will take us to Sonleom. Yeah. Khang Koh Rong được tràn trên khang Sonleom không này, mà bây giờ cái này cái phum cái chẳng đó, đây là phum. So the passenger come in first, and then the luggage come in after. Here's the big ferry coming now. Big ferry coming now. I want to ask him where I can sit. Bọn nhung quay lại na lọ chỉ cái thọt bàn là xá nó quay lại na. Okay. I asked him where I can sit so I can take a good coverage of the good view of the ocean. So he said up to you. So I will try maybe here. Sleeping bag. So hope you enjoy today, everyone. This is gonna be Sonleom. Sonleom miền Koh Rong muối, Koh Rong pi, Koh Rong nó lại phum kế, Koh Rong Sonleom nó lại là cái nào đây tha thom chia đó. Yeah, so the Koh Rong one is like a town center. We have shops, everything, which is on that ferry. And then you got this one, the ferry that we're on is the Koh Rong Sonleom, which is more nature and more like natural. This is just a place to be more relaxed and quieter. That's all. Yeah. And this is where here coming now. So we're on this ferry number 3. Tôi ní bán được không? Bán. Con tràn vào, con tràn. Ở sau lộ ở sau cua nè. So he here. He said I can sit here, so I'm going to sit here, right in the front of the speedboat. Cho thật grom this one. So inside. Inside, everyone. Hello. Saksabai, Tuesday, inside. This is it. These are all the people on this ferry. Everyone's here. Got open it up,
Love it.
Yes. Vlog. So I get sit at the front there. So you get this. Get on the driver's seat here. So now I'm gonna go to the front. Sit at the front here. Like this. Hold on to it. Oh, something. Chạy srul. Là hai srul này ha. Gonna be a lot nicer when the ferry goes. Right now it's just waiting to get everything sorted, clear out, and then we go. Yeah. Kroi in the back, in the front. Okay, we're waiting to go. Okay, bye bye. Kampong Saop, Lê Hai Kampong Saop. Tao Hai. Lê Hai Kampong Saop. Goodbye Kampong Saop. See you Koh Rong. Everyone enjoy today. Gonna be an exciting trip. This is it.